to continue talking about doubles. So far we've talked about takeout doubles in the direct chair. So when the opponent's open, the direct chair double is a takeout, and we've gone over that for the past few weeks. We're going to keep moving around the table so that when partner opens, partner bids one club, and the opponent's bid, we'll put O, one diamond. Us, a double, here is called a negative double. It actually originally was called a Sputnik double. I found this interesting. It was invented by Al Roth in 1957, and he named it after the Russian Sputnik. So, but now we typically refer to it as a negative double. It's another type of takeout. It's not for penalty. So opener has to bid again. What does it mean? It means there's some specific instances we have to be aware of. It tends to imply the majors or the unbid suits. When the auction goes one club, one diamond, it specifically guarantees 4 of both majors. And these are some things you just have to memorize. One club, one diamond auction, double, guarantees 4 at least of both majors. That changes a little bit when things happen at the 2 level. So let's say the auction goes one diamond by our partner and they bid 2 clubs. Now our double only has to guarantee 1 of the majors because we're at the 2 level. So our double, we could double with something like this hand at the 2 level. Actually, we need a little more points at the 2 level. We better give ourselves a little values here. Which brings me back to the point level. When we're at the 1 level, so that's when it went 1 club, 1 heart, or double. Anything that is at the 1 level when it comes to us, we need 6 points. At the 2 level, we need 9 plus points. And I put plus because there's no upper level to negative doubles. They can go as big as your hand is. Okay, so our 2 level doubles imply at least 1 of the 4 card majors, and if the auction happens to start with a major, 1 heart, and they bid something, 2 clubs, our double guarantees 4 of the other major, right? So 4 spades. Same if they open 1 spade, 2 clubs, double, guarantees 4 of the other major. So the primary purpose is to find our 8 card major fit, if at all possible. So you say, well, what happens if it goes 1 heart, 1 spade? What does that mean? It tends to show the minors, and it tends to show a hand that you may be looking for no trump on. So let's say partner opened 1 heart, and you have something like this, but you have a nice hand. Well, we're not sure where we want to play this. We don't like hearts. We don't have a spade stop. So this is a hand that we can use our negative double on. It shows both of the unbid suits, and it's a way to find your game. Our primary purpose is to show the 4 card major because we're always looking for that 8 card major fit as our first option to play in. And the other thing it tends to deny our negative doubles is what?
Yeah. Move your little
arm
over to the space.
Thank you. Sometimes I forget where I put the X's. So partner, so what? That's perfect. So when partner opens 1 heart and we get 1 spade and we double, what does it deny?
3 hearts.
Yes, it always denies support because we never hide the ball. So when we have support for partner's major, we don't start with the negative double. We start with support. We can do that by a Q bid, depending on how big our hand is, a simple raise, or a jump. The same things we would do with a standard bid without interference. So we'll start to get our negative doubles under our belt and work on those. All right.
You would just say 3